Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. Today I want to show you this awesome air mattress that I got. Comes with a carrying case and folds out really easy. If you like reviews like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot. Keep watching until the end and I'll show you how easy this thing is to use. As you can see, mine is a king size and I got the 18-inch version. They come in all sizes from twin to king, and they also come in different thicknesses from 13, 16, up to 18-inch. It's very easy to inflate and deflate with a built-in pump and the awesome cord storage. While doing this video, I found that it took less than 2 minutes to inflate it and less than 2 minutes to deflate. The one thing you need to remember is when you're deflating it, when you think it's empty, just let it go a little bit longer until it gets all the air out. This air mattress has coils built into it, which gives it some stability, unlike a lot of air mattresses that I was used to when I was a kid. One person gets on, the other person gets on, and you're bouncing all over the place. This mattress is more like a regular mattress that you sleep on, where you don't have as much recoil from another person moving around on it. What's also awesome about it is it's adjustable. Because of the coils and the chambers in it, you can let some air out to make it a little bit softer feel, or put more air in it to give it that firmer feel. If you're in need of an air mattress, I think this would be a great option for you, and I use it all the time with my kids when they have friends over, they have a place to sleep, or when I have relatives come to visit. If you're interested in one of these amazing mattresses, click in the link in the description and get yourself one.